Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, this is the preview of Fulham and Chelsea game. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my starting 11, my score prediction, my analysis for this game. Fulham Chelsea. It will be away game. Yes, they are home ground. Yes. And Enzo Maresca press conference, guys, he said that Chelsea fans, we should be grateful that this season, the whole of this season, Chelsea, we have been in top four. When you look at the past 2 seasons, Chelsea was not in top four, what and what. In fact, and he has been saying this, not today's press conference. No. He has been saying it, yes. And Enzo Maresca should know that Chelsea fans, we had enough. And we have seen a lot. Yes, we have seen Chelsea won so many trophies, important trophies, major trophies. Want to talk of top 4. So top 4 is not a new thing in Chelsea. Enzo Maresca should know that. No. We are not new in Chelsea. Chelsea fans, we are winners. We are used to winning. We ever win. Yes, we are experienced in winning. So Chelsea getting top 4 during your regime is never achievement to win the Chelsea fans. No. Chelsea even winning a Premier League, we will celebrate, we will jubilate. Whoever saw it. Chelsea ever won the Premier League. Chelsea even winning the Champions League, we will celebrate. We are not like our brothers there. No. Whoever won the Champions League want to talk of being top 4. So the way Enzo Maresca is saying, as if top 4 is a new thing in Chelsea, or it has been years, seasons, maybe 20 years, 30 years, Chelsea never made top 4. And during his regime, Chelsea we are making top 4. No. We are not new. We won't come to top 4, Chelsea fans. No. So, guys, Enzo Maresca says so that Chelsea fans, we should be grateful. That, for that matter, we should trust him. He is doing well because his regime, compared to past years, past seasons, Chelsea were not on top 4, but during his managerial time, yes, Chelsea is on top 4. So, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this Enzo Maresca comments. Yes. So, let's come to players who are available. But before we move on, guys, please just remind you, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Players who are available for this game, I think everybody is back. Yes. News or information said that Lavia is back, returned from injury, but I don't think he can play. It is too early for Lavia. Yes, I don't think he can play. So, everybody's available. Yes, Regimes and co, everybody's available. Yes. So, let's come to this game, the analysis of this game before the starting 11 and the score prediction, my score prediction. So, please watch this video till the end. This game, this is the first time I will not give analysis in big game for Chelsea, important game for Chelsea. So, guys, what I will say is that this game, I am putting it to Enzo Maresca that if he really know that he can coach Chelsea next season and beyond, he can be Chelsea manager next season and beyond, he should win this game. I am putting it to you, Enzo Maresca. I am putting it to you, win this game. If you know you can be Chelsea manager, if you know you are a good manager, I am putting it to you, win this game. We had enough. You will come here, say this, say that. At the end of the day, Enzo Maresca will come out with his own team selection, in which nobody will understand. See, all the games that we won under Enzo Maresca in the second round of this season, I'm telling you, we were lucky. Or let me say, the players play to deserve that winner, and not because of Enzo Maresca tactics or his starting 11 or team selection. So far, so poor. So far, the second round of Enzo Maresca, so far, so poor. So that is why I said I will not do any analysis or say what and what. No. It's useless. As a Chelsea fan, when you are expecting Enzo Maresca to play Reece James at the right back, he will bring him into the middle. So what analysis are you going to give again? No. Playing players out of position. Yes, our centre back, we don't have consistent centre back. No chemistry. This game, Chalobah Liverpool. This game, Tosin Chalobah. This game, who and who. But actually, who and who. No chemistry, no combo. So, Chelsea fans, let's just hope at the end of the season, Chelsea make top 4. And we'll see maybe next season if we can go and get experienced manager. If this our owners will even do that. Yes, because the way Enzo Maresca, his tactics and Chelsea Chelsea demanding team, pressure team like Chelsea, and the slow football, I don't think we have future with Enzo Maresca. So guys, for me, I am putting it to Enzo Maresca to win this game if he thinks he can manage Chelsea in the future, if he thinks he can be a big team manager, a big team coach, and also the players. Cole Palmer, Nicola Jackson, all the players, Cucurella, Caicedo, all our players. I am putting it to you guys. Saka is playing Champions League. Martinelli is playing Champions League. Aston Villa players are playing Champions League. Newcastle players are playing Champions League. And for me, I don't think they are better than you guys. I don't think all these team players playing Champions League in England are better than you guys. So I am putting it to you. Yes, play to the highest degree. Play to the highest level. Give quality football. Win Chelsea games for you guys to also participate, play Champions League football next season. You guys also deserve better. Yes, for you to prove that indeed you are also one of the talented, one of the good players in England. Win game for Chelsea to play Champions League football next season. No. If Bellingham is playing Champions League football, what show that Cole Palmer cannot play Champions League football? No. If so and so is playing Champions League football, what show that Caicedo, Cucurella, what show that you guys cannot also play Champions League football? So guys, for me, I want these players to fight for themselves, to fight for their badge, to play for Chelsea, to know that playing for Chelsea alone is a big motivation. Yes, nobody should tell them to win football games for Chelsea. Nobody should tell them to qualify Chelsea for Champions League. Because of their own reputation, their own credibilities as a players, they should go and win this game. All the remaining games, they should play to expectation to win them. Guys, for me, that's what I'm expecting from our players. They should go and play. Yes, have the degree, the zeal to win for Chelsea. They should go and play. The zeal to win for themselves. Their own reputation, as I said, credibility as players, and their families as players, because every footballer family want him to play at the highest level, to play the quality football, one of the biggest tournaments in world football, that is Champions League. So please, Cole Palmer, Nicola Jackson, guys, can you believe that 15 games it has been Cole Palmer score a goal for Chelsea? Jackson 12 games. So Cole Palmer and Nicola Jackson, we need you in this game. We want you to be active in this game. We want you to score for Chelsea in this game, because when these two players are scoring, our team is alive. Yes, Chelsea, we are winning games. When Cole Palmer is on form, when Jackson is on form, you will see Chelsea winning games. Yes, Chelsea being alive, active. So for me, I am putting it onto the players to go and deliver. Yes, to go and fight for themselves, for their own football reputation, for their own credibility as footballers, and also our owners. They must learn from this, the second round of this season, that Chelsea need a balanced squad. Chelsea need a balanced squad. Chelsea, we need experienced players to come and add to this, our young talented players, for Chelsea to compete for the Premier League title next season. If hopeful, we qualify for the Champions League, Chelsea to compete in the UEFA Champions League next season. Todd Bowley, Eric Bailly, the consortium, Bluco, listen to we the fan. Don't be arrogant. Don't be arrogant. Next season, go and sign quality, experienced players to come and balance the squad. And this is my starting 11 on goal. Sanchez as usual. Yes, because we don't have anything to do. Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister. All of us know that. Yes. And the two center back, I started Chaluba and Liverpool. Let's rest Tosin. The last game he played 90 minutes. Yes. And Tosin also, I don't know. I was expecting a lot from this guy because of his age and his experience, but I don't know. And the right back position, Reece James. Please, Maresca, don't play Reece James in the midfield. Play him the position he can give his best. His best. Reece James, if you want to see the best of Reece James, play him at his normal position. The right back. Reece James is never a midfielder. He doesn't deliver there. He doesn't give his best performance. So please, Enzo Maresca, don't play Reece James in the midfield. And the left back position, guys, Cucurella. Please don't play Gusto there, Enzo Maresca. We don't want to see Gusto at the left back position because you want to stop a certain player from Fulham. No. Cucurella can do it. He's in the form of his life. See, Cucurella and Caicedo. You see Cucurella, Caicedo, and who is that? I think that no, Cucurella and Caicedo. For them this season, they never had a bad game. So please, Maresca, play players in their right position. And the midfield, the best partnership in the world, Moses Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez. And the left wing, I started Sancho. Yes, recently Sancho is perfect. Last 2 games, he gave assists. Yes, and even score. Yes, that against Ipswich Town, the equalizer from him, the corner he put the ball. So it seems now Sancho is alive. He's on form performance. So the left wing position, I start Sancho, and the right wing position, I start Neto. I know Maresca may start Madrid, but for me, this game, we want pressure. Yes, we want that physicality, determination to win. Yes, go, let's go and win. This kind of games, no tactics again, no beautiful football again. Go and win. Just go. Play winning football. Approach the game in a winning way. So for me, I'll start Neto and the attacking area, Almighty Cole Palmer. As I said, it has been a long time, 15 games so far. Cole Palmer score. Let's hope he score in this game. Yes, he opened the net. Yes, continue and yes, improve. Because this is the right time we need Cole Palmer and Nicola Jackson and all our attackers, Neto and Co, to start scoring goal. This is the right time. 6 games to go. We must win all. If Chelsea want to make top 4, comfortable being in top 4, all the 6 games, we must win them. So this is the right time we need our attackers to be alive and start scoring goals. So let's hope this game Cole Palmer score and maybe give assist. And Jackson also, let's hope he score. Yes. Maybe in the second half, if they defend very well, Maresca should bring in Nkunku, 2 strikers. Yes. Remove a defender, Maresca. Put in more attackers. Let's win. Yes, we don't want beautiful football. Now we want 3 points to move on. Qualify for Champions League. Yes, next season, so that we can see what Tudbole and Co will do to bring us experienced strikers, experienced defenders, experienced midfielders. Yes, for us to compete in the Champions League. So guys, this is my starting 11 for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, your starting 11 and your analysis on this game. How can Chelsea approach to win this game? Guys, let me hear from you. And my score prediction. I would say Fulham 1, Chelsea 2. The game will be tough, difficult one. Because at this stage of the season, the smaller teams, the so-called smaller teams, they know what the big teams want. Yes, so they will not open up. They will make it difficult for you. So for me, I see Chelsea winning, but it will be closely contest. So I'll say Fulham 1, Chelsea 2. Guys, let me hear from you, your score prediction also. Yes, for this game. Yes, and please, we gave you another video. Yes, I am my Chelsea brother Isa. Yes, that video is here. Podcast about Chelsea problems. Who is the problem? Yes, whether the owners, Enzo Maresca, or the players. We analyze a lot there. Yes, deliberate on certain things about the players, to the manager, to the owners. Please, you can click that video is here. Please click to enjoy that video, and don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming on this channel. Take care, peace.